As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, and I'm trying to figure out which one's better. One's the Classic Series 2-burner, and the other is the Performance TRU Infrared 4-burner.
Oh yeah, I see them. The Classic is smaller, right? It says it has 280 square inches of cooking space.
Yep, that's right. The 4-burner has a whole lot more, like 550 square inches total, with 420 on the main grates and a warming rack. So definitely more room to cook.
Okay, that's a big difference if you're cooking for more than a couple of people. What about the burners themselves?
Well, the 2-burner has 20,000 BTUs, while the 4-burner doesn't list a total BTU rating, but it does have a 10,000 BTU side burner, which the other one has a 8,000 side burner.
So the 4-burner probably packs more of a punch overall. And what about that TRU infrared thing? Is that a big deal?
From what I'm reading, it prevents flare-ups and cooks food more evenly. And it seems like it's supposed to keep food juicier. The 2-burner just has regular porcelain-coated grates.
Ah, okay, so the infrared one is probably a bit fancier. What about size and weight?
The 2-burner is much lighter, only 37.5 pounds and smaller overall. The 4-burner is a hefty 70 pounds.
So the Classic is more portable if you need to move it around. What about extras?
The 4-burner comes with a chef's delight tray for grilling delicate foods and a custom cleaning tool. The 2-burner, it is Gear Tracks ready.
Okay, so the 4-burner has some nice added features. What about the price?
The 2-burner is listed at $139, but the 4-burner is currently unavailable, so I can't compare the prices.
Right, that's a bummer. I guess it depends on what you need. If you're just grilling for yourself or a small group and want something compact and affordable, the 2-burner Classic is fine. But if you need more space, want even cooking, and don't mind a bigger grill, the 4-burner TRU Infrared seems better if you can find it.
Yeah, I think I'm leaning toward the 4-burner, even if it is unavailable right now. The even cooking and extra space sound worth it. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.